Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. First of all, I want to thank my friend Emerald from Zambia and Diane from right here in Jamaica for the last few readings that you had. So we're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples throughout the New Testament. And by doing this, we are building our faith. So if you want to build your faith, just keep on following. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you not do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure, say, you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 9, from verse 1 to verse 9. Round them same time there, Saul did still a threaten to kill off the believer them. Him go to the leader for the priest them and ask him to give him letter for carry go give the leader for the Jew them church at Damascus. So that if he find nobody where follow where Jesus teach, whether man or woman, him would arrest them and carry them go back to Jerusalem. When they did depend them way and did near Damascus, all of a sudden one bright light from heaven shine around Saul. Him drop a ground and hear somebody say to him, say, Saul, Saul, what make you and make me suffer? Saul asks, who you, sir? Jesus answer, me a Jesus, the one where you are make suffer. Get up and go in at the town. Somebody in there, we tell you what you must do. The man them we did a travel with Saul, turn up there, but them did so shock, them couldn't say a word. Them hear the somebody we did a talk to Saul, but they never see nobody. Saul get up, but when he open his eye them, him couldn't see a thing. So them hold him on and lead him go Damascus. For 3 days, Saul couldn't see nothing, and he ain't near drink nothing neither. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.